Okay guys, we have a bit of a push today, pushing a bit of rubbish. We thought it was loud yesterday, wait till you hear it this morning. Alrighty, here we go guys, over here, first gear, down there, decelerator pedal, hand clutch it, stand with your feet. Rightio, blade control, gripper control, let's push a bit of rubbish. Flipper in the first gear, over here, put the blade down a bit, decelerator pedal, lock it, just let it go. Listen to that. Fuck that loud. Horrible noise, isn't it? Wait up!